When it comes to maritime rescue operations, the quality and capabilities of the rescue ships involved are vital. These vessels are not just boats, they are lifelines, engineered to withstand the harshest conditions and equipped with state-of-the-art technology to save lives. From ships that can navigate through icy waters to those that are virtually unsinkable, here are the safest rescue ships in the world. Hydrolift P-42 SAR. First on our list is the Hydrolift P-42 SAR. Manufactured by Hydrolift, this rescue ship is a result of modern engineering. With a length of 12.6 meters and a beam of 3.9 meters, the P-42 SAR is designed for high-speed operations, boasting a maximum speed range of over 45 knots. One of the standout features of this ship is its hull material, which is made from vacuum-infused vinyl ester and fiberglass sandwich composite. This ensures not just durability, but also provides the vessel with excellent stability in turbulent waters. When it comes to machinery, the Hydrolift P-42 SAR is powered by two FTP N67 engines, each producing 500 to 570 horsepower. These engines are paired with two Rolls-Royce 25A3 water jets and a Sleipner SEP-150 bow thruster, ensuring the vessel is agile and easy to maneuver. It comes equipped with various search and rescue equipment, including salvage pumps, a hook capable of towing 2,400 kilograms, and a searchlight with 350 watts of power. The ship also features a personal watercraft, the Sea-Doo Spark, for quick and efficient rescue operations. Cape Cooper. Next on our list is the Cape Cooper, a member of the Cape-class motor lifeboats operated by the Canadian Coast Guard. Built by Textron Marine and Victoria shipyards, these vessels have been in service since 1997. The Cape Cooper has a length of 14.6 meters and a beam of 4.27 meters. It is powered by two Caterpillar 3196 diesel engines, each rated at 450 horsepower, giving the vessel a top speed of 25 knots and a cruising speed of 22 knots. The boat has a fuel capacity of 373 usable imperial gallons, allowing it to cover a range of 200 nautical miles. It can operate at wind speeds of up to 50 knots and can handle wave heights of 30 feet. The boat can also tow ships with up to 150 tons of displacement. For communication, it is equipped with Raytheon 152 HF SSB and Motorola Spectra 9000 VHF 50-watt radios, one of the more advanced electronic systems. In 2021, a contract was awarded to Ocean Pacific Marine to upgrade the Cape Cooper in its class over a 7-year period, ensuring that it will continue to be a reliable asset for the Canadian Coast Guard for years to come. Stella Nova. Moving on, we have the Stella Nova, a search and rescue vessel sailing under the flag of Sweden. With 14 by 4 meter dimensions, this vehicle is designed for quick and efficient rescue operations. Currently, it is stationed in the port of Landskrona and operates in the Kattegat zone. The Stella Nova is equipped with an engine that allows it to reach an average speed of 18.8 knots and a maximum speed of 25.2 knots. The vessel has a draft of 1.2 meters, making it suitable for operations in shallower waters as well. Weather conditions are no obstacle for the Stella Nova. It can withstand maximum wind speeds of up to 11 knots and operate in turbulent waters. The Stella Nova is a reliable asset in the Swedish rescue fleet. Its current position is regularly updated through AIS receivers, ensuring accurate tracking and efficient deployment for rescue missions. SAR 1906. Next on the list, we have the SAR 1906, a state-of-the-art search and rescue vessel developed by Damen Shipyards. With a length of 19.5 meters and a beam of 6.5 meters, this vessel is designed to operate in challenging conditions. The SAR 1906 can reach a maximum speed of 33 knots and has a range of up to 330 nautical miles. One of the standout features of the SAR 1906 is its self-righting design, which allows the vessel to recover within seconds after a capsize or even a 360-degree roll. The hull is constructed from aluminum, and the wheelhouse is made of composite materials. The vessel's design is based on Damen's Axbow technology, adapted specifically for rescue operations. These boats are operated by the Turkish Coast Guard to support refugee and migrant rescue operations. Interestingly, the SAR 1906 can carry up to 120 survivors, making it a valuable asset for large-scale rescue missions. The vessels are built at Damen's Turkish shipyard in Antalya, where the composite superstructures and aluminum hulls are fabricated. TCG Alemdar A582. Next we have the TCG Alemdar A582, an Alemdar-class submarine rescue mothership of the Turkish Navy. Ordered on October 28, 2011, and built by Istanbul Shipyard, the TCG Alemdar was commissioned on January 28, 2017. With a length of 91 meters and a beam of 18.5 meters, this vessel is a giant in the world of rescue ships. The TCG Alamdar has various thrusters, including 2 stern thrusters with 3,250 kilowatts each, and a retractable thruster with 1,400 kilowatts, giving it a top speed of 18 knots. It has an impressive range of 4,500 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 14 knots. But what truly sets the TCG Alamdar apart is its specialized capabilities. Designed to perform subsea and surface search and rescue missions under various sea conditions, its main task is to rescue submarines that cannot resurface on their own. The ship can provide life support to a stranded submarine crew at a maximum depth of 600 meters. It is also equipped with remotely operated underwater vehicles, or ROVs, and atmospheric diving suits, or ADS, making it a crucial asset for the Turkish Navy's fleet of 14 diesel-electric submarines. CCGS Hudson. Next on our list is the CCGS Hudson, an oceanographic and hydrographic survey vessel that served the Canadian Coast Guard for nearly 6 decades. Launched in 1963 and decommissioned in 2022, this vessel pioneered in many ways. The Hudson was designed for endurance and versatility, with a length of 90.4 meters and a beam of 15.4 meters. The Hudson was powered by a diesel-electric system consisting of 4 Alco 251D diesel engines and 2 Caterpillar 398 generators, providing a total power output of 8,675 horsepower. This allowed the ship to reach a top speed of 17 knots. It had an impressive range of 23,100 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 10.5 knots, and could operate for up to 105 days without resupply. One of the Hudson's most notable achievements was its circumnavigation of both North and South America in 1970, a feat that had never been accomplished before. Over the years, the vessel participated in numerous scientific voyages and international programs, contributing significantly to our understanding of the world's oceans. Baltica. Continuing our journey through the world's safest rescue ships, let's explore the Baltica, a Russian icebreaker with a unique twist. Its asymmetric hull. Built by Arctec Helsinki Shipyard in Finland, this vessel was commissioned in 2014 and is operated by FGI Gozmor-Pozluzba, the Russian Marine Emergency Rescue Service. With a length of 76.4 meters and a beam of 20.5 meters, Baltica is designed to break through ice of up to 1 meter thick. What sets Baltica apart is its ability to operate not just forward and backward, but also obliquely, thanks to its innovative hull design. This allows the ship to open a wide channel in ice for larger merchant vessels. Powered by 3 Wärtsilä 9L26 engines, each providing 3,000 kilowatts, the ship can reach speeds of 14 knots in open water and 3 knots in ice-covered waters. It also has a range of 4,500 nautical miles and can operate for up to 20 days. Hermann Marweed. Moving on, we have the Hermann Marweed, one of the world's largest search and rescue cruisers, operated by the German Maritime Search and Rescue Service. Launched in 2003, this vessel has a length of 46 meters and a beam of 10.66 meters. It can reach speeds of up to 25 knots and has an endurance of 7 days, covering a range of 2,500 nautical miles. The Hermann Marweed was built in Bern-Motzen, Weser Germany, with its hull constructed from aluminum in Poland. The ship is equipped with a rigid-hulled inflatable boat and is designed to be on patrol for 2,500 hours per year. Named after Hermann Marweed, a significant contributor to the brewery Becken Company, the ship was financed with a significant contribution from 12 of Marweed's grandchildren and great-grandchildren. Spasitel Demidov. Next, we have the Spasitel Demidov, a part of the Russian multi-purpose salvage vessels fleet. Built by the Nevsky Shipyard and commissioned in 2015, this vessel is designed to operate under challenging conditions. With a length of 73 meters and a maximum deadweight of approximately 1,171 tons, the Spasitel Demidov is an impressive presence on the high seas. The vessel has a sea endurance of 20 days. It is equipped with machinery to investigate the seabed and damaged objects lying at depths of up to 1,000 meters. It can also perform underwater diving operations to depths as low as 300 meters. One of its notable operational histories includes controlling a fire aboard 2 LNG carriers in the Sea of Azov in January 2019. Bezug. Coming last on our list, we have the Bezug, a multi-purpose salvage and rescue vessel commissioned into the Marine Rescue Service of the Russian Federal Agency. This vessel is the third in a series of project ships designed by the Marine Engineering Bureau. With a length of 79.85 meters and a beam of 16.8 meters, Bezug is built to operate in both open sea and shallower inland waterways. Bezug is powered by two 2,610 kilowatt main engines that drive controllable pitch propellers, allowing it to cover an unfueled range of 4,000 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 14 knots. The vessel is equipped for many tasks, including towing, casualty evacuation, dive support, firefighting, and oil spill response. It can accommodate up to 150 people in emergencies and is equipped with a broad array of features for every conceivable mission, including a self-propelled daughter craft for SAR work. From the self-righting SAR 1906 to the ice-breaking capabilities of the Baltica, these are some of the safest and most advanced rescue ships in the world. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you in the next video.
In nome di Dio, Paglia!
Van de mensen die dit leuk vinden. Kijk.
Nee, we moeten ook weg.
Nee, komma.
Weet je leuk, Marielle? Ook wel.